As an enterprise, nothing is more valuable, more important and more gratifying than customer recognition. DAYU Plastic Machine to create competitiveness for customers as the company's mission. After more than 20 years of development, a total of more than 6,000 customers use support to help customers towards success. In order to quickly match the international advanced technology, DAYU Plastic Machine in 2014 successfully completed the acquisition of the introduction of Germany's advanced vertical injection molding machine technology feat, and hired Japanese industry experts for company consulting, master vertical injection molding machine R&D, manufacturing core technology, so that DAYU into the ranks of international advanced technology vertical injection molding machine, driving the development of China's vertical injection molding machine industry. DAYU quality is the reflection of originality and original intention, giving details to awe. It is the precipitation of science and technology and exploration, which makes creation possible, is the integration of products and services to better customers. The strength of the team is unlimited. DAYU pays attention to the comprehensive construction and progress of technology. Manufacturing, quality, marketing and management team introduces and trains industry talents, and builds a unique professional team in the industry. One thing, a group of people, insist on doing, and continue to lead the vertical injection molding machine industry to become the pride of China. The rapid development of DAYU comes from DAYU people's love for the industry, and from DAYU people's belief and implementation of adhere to long-term doctrine. DAYU built a strong R&D team, more than 100 patents and EU-CE, ISO 9001 certification, won the Industry Innovation Award. Fixed the R&D team to overcome the difficult position, but also fixed DAYU Machinery committed to innovation strength and initial heart. The introduction of SolidWorks software in the industry and become the sample project of SolidWorks in China, so that the R&D team is more powerful, so that new product development is faster and more reliable. Invest heavily in the introduction of international and domestic high-end processing equipment, which greatly improves the controllability of the quality of parts, so that we will hold the right to speak of quality in our hands. Strict quality management system, complete testing equipment, with the stability of each product, durability, maximize the protection of customer interests, large-scale production and manufacturing, cost control and high efficiency, to provide customers with high cost-effective products. The team has made continuous progress for many years to achieve the overcoming of difficulties and fast delivery of new products and super large machines. More than 20 years of trials and hardships, we always focus on the development and manufacturing of plastic machinery excellence, with the commitment to customers, to drive the inexhaustible forward power. Diligently strive to create an industry benchmark defined by us with the exploration of innovation.
Hello, this is Coco from DAYU Machinery. Thanks for your calling.
We effectively provide customers with pre-sales, during and after the overall technical services. The business goal of customer satisfaction is integrated into the lifelong service commitment to customers. We keep moving, with the figure of running at all times, so that every customer service needs are timely response, dedication and hard work. In this world, too many things are made every day. Only those who are endowed with exceptional qualities can possess the power not to yield to time. In the future, we will continue to adhere to the goal of providing the most trusted vertical injection molding machine to global users, and provide customers with advanced technology, excellent quality and superior performance injection molding equipment. Led DAYU Machinery in the wave of China's intelligent manufacturing service to the world, stirring the mighty power.